Welcome to Branded Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest insights, reviews, and updates on the world's most exciting vehicles. If you love cars, speed, and style, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into today's feature, the 2025 BMW Z4. The 2025 BMW Z4 is here to redefine what it means to be a luxury roadster. With its sleek design, thrilling performance, and advanced technology, this car is more than just a statement, it's an experience. Let's start with its design. The Z4 commands attention with its bold front grille, aggressive LED headlights, and aerodynamic silhouette. Every curve and contour is crafted for both aesthetics and performance. The soft top roof seamlessly blends into the body, giving the car a dynamic, modern look whether the top is up or down. New color options, including striking metallic shades, make the 2025 model even more customizable and visually captivating. Under the hood, the Z4 doesn't just deliver, it dominates. BMW offers two engine options for 2025, a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and a more powerful 3.0-liter inline-6 turbocharged engine for the M40i trim. The inline-6 is the star, producing a stunning 382 horsepower, allowing the Z4 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Z4 provides precise, smooth shifts that enhance its sporty character. The car's rear-wheel drive setup and adaptive suspension ensure a dynamic driving experience, whether you're on a twisty mountain road or cruising the highway. Stepping inside the Z4, you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury and technology seamlessly. High-quality materials, including premium leather and aluminum accents, create a refined ambiance. The seats are supportive yet comfortable, perfect for long drives or spirited sprints. BMW's latest iDrive infotainment system, displayed on a 10.25-inch touchscreen, offers intuitive controls and features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital instrument cluster ensures you have all essential information at your fingertips. For those who crave connectivity and convenience, the Z4 delivers with features like a premium Harman Kardon sound system, wireless charging, and multiple driving modes that let you tailor the car's performance to your mood. The 2025 model also comes equipped with BM's digital key, allowing you to unlock and start your car using your smartphone. Safety is a top priority for BMW, and the Z4 is no exception. The car comes with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to provide peace of mind without compromising the thrill of driving. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 BMW Z4 starts at around $53,000 for the base model with the 4-cylinder engine. If you're looking for maximum performance, the M40i trim starts at approximately $66,000. Considering the blend of luxury, performance, and technology you get, the Z4 offers excellent value in the luxury roadster segment. The 2025 BMW Z4 is a car for those who want more than just transportation. It's about freedom, excitement, and a connection between driver and machine. With its stunning design, exhilarating performance, and cutting-edge features, the Z4 is ready to set a new standard for roadsters. Thank you for tuning into Branded Cars. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of the 2025 BMW Z4. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.